Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a portable Bluetooth speaker. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. So first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, first thing you see inside is the actual speaker, but I believe there's some more stuff underneath it, so let's take everything out. So you see at the bottom they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it in terms of different mode and different options. And right here we do have the charging cable. So for the charging cable, it's basically a USB to USB-C cable, so you can definitely use that to recharge the product. But last but not least, we do have the actual speaker right here. So you see the front part, we do have the brand logo. On the side right here, we do have the option for you to hang it somewhere if you guys do want to. And then on the side of the base option, we do have the LED light, which I'll show you guys in a second. Bottom part right here, we do have the power button for you to turn it on. And we do have the plus and minus button for you to increase and lower the volume. I believe you guys can also use these as a play and pause button and also skip and rewind button as well. And then for this side right here, if you guys do open up, inside we do have the USB-C output, and they do have a TF card slot as well. So that way if you guys want to plug in like a TF card or a micro SD card, you guys can definitely do that as well. And I like how tight this part is, so that way none of the water can get in once you guys do close it up, since they do mention how the product is water resistant or waterproof. And if you guys turn to the back, here is basically what the back part looks like. So in the back part they do have like the non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it on the table, it won't move around. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have my USB-C cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, then you see the inside there is an indicator light to show you guys that it is charging. So right now it's showing like a red light. So I'm assuming once that light turns off or changes a different color, that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. But now let's try to turn it on to show you guys whether or not the product works. So if you guys do push on this button, that basically turns it on. And we see on the side right here it is blinking. So what I'm doing right now is connect it onto Bluetooth. Alright, so we got connected. Let's try to play a song on here. If you guys notice when you're playing the music on here, the light on the side actually follows the beat of music. And as you can hear from the audio on here, it actually sounds pretty good. It does have a really good audio and really good bass. And like I mentioned on the bottom, they do have the option for you guys to play and pause the music. And if you guys want to increase or lower the volume, you basically want to press on these two buttons. So let's give it a try. So all the buttons on here definitely does work, and it actually sounds pretty clear when you guys do use it. And you can see when you guys do plug in cable, it does work. But let's try to unplug the cable. And let's try again. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work wired and wireless. And if you guys want to skip the song or go back to the previous song, you basically want to press and hold the plus and minus. Alright, so you see it definitely does work. And when you guys look at the instruction manual, they do mention how to switch different mode. So you basically want to press the power button 3 times to change the different mode. So let's give it a try. So if you guys notice when we change the different mode on here, it basically changed the light mode on the side. So this is the first one. And now let's change the second one. And now let's do the last one. So those are different modes available when you guys do use it. I believe for the product you do have the option to answer calls on here. If you guys want to change the different mode from Bluetooth to TF card, you basically want to press the power button 2 times. but because right now we don't have a TF card, there's nothing for me to show. And if you guys notice, for the size of the product, it's actually very small and compact. So that way it's actually really easy for you to bring along when you guys are traveling, whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, at the beach, or anywhere else. That is totally up to you guys. And then obviously once you guys are done using the product, you basically want to press and hold the power button. And that basically turns it off. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality portable speaker that basically give you guys the same features as on here. And the fact of how small and compact the product is, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one. And save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.